So once again, hello everybody and welcome back to our Shopify course about building up a successful clothing brand. So in today's class, we are going to learn how to market our brand. Um, because this is a course that is really on building up a clothing brand, I'm gonna show you 3 ways in one course where you can market your brand. So we're gonna talk you about Facebook ads, about a Facebook shop, and about Instagram shop. Also, I'll give you a quick intro into blogging, but once again, this is not the main purpose of this course. This course is just to get you familiarized with all the ways you can market your product online. So let's start. The first thing I'm gonna talk about is integrate your shop with Facebook. Why Facebook and why selling on Facebook? Because Facebook is a huge platform. Well, it's a social media platform with about 2 billion people that are using it daily. Um, so that's a huge amount of people that can access to your product very easily also. So the first thing you want to do to integrate your store into the marketplace, into the Facebook world, and also Instagram will be here. So on sales channel, you'll click on the little plus button. You see here I have the Facebook shop. So you simply click on the plus button. You can add your Facebook shop and the Instagram shop. You have other shops also. So as you can see, Instagram, add sales channel. And to use your Instagram, you need to have a valid Facebook shop. So let's back here. So for now, you should have added your Facebook shop and your Instagram shop. So once again, to use a Facebook shop, you will need to connect an account. So before connecting an account, let's create your your business page for your business or your clothing brand. So simply go on Facebook, manage my pages, and create a new page. From here, Facebook will ask you, do you want to create a business page or a local figure page? You choose business. Then you give a name to your business. Let's say it's going to be example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, it's just an example. Category clothing. Facebook will ask you to add a picture. So the profile picture of your business will be here. So you can add the picture by clicking there. Same thing for the other picture. Simply click here to add the picture and you click on ignore it. So when this is done, congratulations, you have your Facebook business page. After that, to sync this page with your other account, well, with your Shopify account, very easy. We come back to Shopify and simply click on connect an account. From here, they'll ask you what page you wanna sync. So we're gonna select the page we just created. Simply click on it. Here we go. And simply click connect page. You'll have to accept the Facebook terms and conditions. Here we go. And from this moment, congratulations, you just set it up your Facebook shop. It's gonna take up to 48 hours for your shop to be available on Facebook, but let me show you what it looks like on one of my other pages. So one of my other example pages is just here. So as you can see here, I have some, well, it's a clothing store also. Uh, your Facebook shop will look something like this. So once again, that's just an example page. It works. You can buy those products and have a store associated with this. But as you can see, all the products are just here. So for example, we click there and we like this product. We can simply click on buy on the website and we will get directly on our store, and we'll be able to choose our size and buy directly the product. And here we have our other products. So as I explained you guys, the moment you will be approved for Facebook, you will be able to import all your products and you will be able to sell them directly online, directly on Facebook. Same thing on Instagram. On Instagram, what will be very important, I'm not gonna show you a demo of Instagram, but what will be very important for you guys is to open up a professional Instagram page. So when you create your Instagram account, select professional Instagram page, and from that moment you will be able to sell all your products that you have on your Facebook store directly on Instagram. So from Instagram you will be able to import all your products from your Facebook store on Instagram and sell directly on Instagram. Also, for Instagram it will be just there. So for the moment it's not eligible because there is no products, but when you will have products you will be able to tag directly your products from here. Well, directly on Instagram, on the Instagram platform, but for this you will need to have products on your Facebook store. So it's gonna be directly with this app and directly with your store, with the Facebook shop store app. So right now let's talk a bit about blogging. So blogging is another way for your website to get known online. So what is basically blogging? Blogging is writing blogs about your website, well, your website, your e-commerce. So let's say you're starting up a brand about, well, you're starting up a clothing brand that will sell t-shirts to travelers, for example, once again. So it would be interesting to create blog posts about traveling, for example, top 5 places in Australia, top 5 places in Canada, top 5 places in the US. So this way the people will make searches on Google and will find out those blog posts, will read those blog posts, will play on the website or on your e-commerce, and will find out your products and maybe will buy one. So it's a great way to attract new consumers. Uh, the only thing with blog posts is that it's gonna take you time. For Facebook ads and for Facebook ads and the Instagram shop, well, Facebook ads gonna cost you money because you will have to invest money. But with blog posts, it's gonna take you a bit more, well, it's gonna take you a bit more time because you will have to invest a lot of time creating the blog posts and creating all your ads for your store. One last thing for all what is, well, for the Facebook ads, how do we do Facebook ads? That's the thing that I didn't talk about. It's simply here. So if you want, let's go on our page. So if you want to promote your page, you simply click on the little button promote here. From there, Facebook will ask you what exactly you want to do. So you choose if you want to simply get likes for your page, do the promotion of your page, get more visitors on your website, or get more visitors on your Instagram. From here, let's say want more visitors on our website. From here, Facebook will give us access to, well, the ad that we can create. So here we choose the image. We can choose if we want an image, we can put on a video, we can put on other things, for example, a set of 10 images. But let's stay with just one image. When it's done, we changed here. It's gonna be the title of our ad, so we can change it. Here, what's gonna be in our ad? So let's say here we write amazing clothing. Here we're gonna write about so that's the text over here. So as you can see, this will be the title of our ad. The title is here, and the text will be just up here. After that, we choose our age here. So, well, it's not our age, it's our, how we call it, it's our audience. So we create our audience here. It could be the age and from where we want the people to buy our product. So when we create our audience, we give the name to this audience. Let's say we name it audience 5. So here we choose the gender, man or woman or both, the age. Then we choose the countries. So it could be US, it could be Canada, or anywhere else. So let's say we choose US. From here we can choose other countries. So let's say Canada. Or we can even go more specifically. So let's say we take out US and we take out Canada, and we want to take a city in Canada. So we can choose just the city of Montreal. So it can be really specific. And our audience size will be 2 million to almost 3 million people. After that, there is always ways to expand our research. So as I said, we can go from cities, we can go to country, we can make really wide researches with well, we can reach a really wide audience with our Facebook ads. That's why it's an amazing tool to work with. When our audience is set, we can just save it, and then simply when it's ready, when everything's here ready, we choose the duration of our ad. So we can run the ad, let's say for 5 days, 10 days, or the number of days we want. After that, the budget, how much money we are ready to spend per day for our ad. Let's say we want to spend $5. So all this campaign is going to cost us $50. And here is what we will expect to get as a result of this ad campaign. So here it says we are expect to get from 21 to 62 clicks per day from this ad campaign. And finally, that's the final price. So it costs $5. The tax will be 50 cents, and the total per day will be $5.50. And for the whole 10 days, it's gonna cost us $50 plus $5 of taxes. And when it's done, we simply click on promote, and it's gonna promote automatically. Before promoting, Facebook will ask you to create a ad account. So you will have to create yourself an ad account, but once again, you'll see it's very easy to do. So as we saw today, right now you're supposed to have your own Facebook business page, and from this business page you know how to set your Facebook store. So simply create when your store will be created, simply set your Facebook store. All your products will be synced on your Facebook page. From there you can simply create an Instagram page for your store and drop all your products directly on your Instagram. And from here you're all set to start doing your ad campaign for your Facebook. And also don't forget to start blogging for your website, well, your e-commerce. It's a great way to boost your SEO, and also it's gonna improve the people that are searching, for example, for travels or whatever, to directly go for your website. Once again, it's an example. If you're selling traveling clothes, well, people looking for traveling clothes will get on people who are looking for travels will get on your blog about traveling, and maybe will buy your travel clothes. Once again, it's just an example. Maybe you can sell other thing, completely other things. So the so as we see, guys, uh, that's how the procedure for promoting your website works. And see you guys in the next class, where we are going to start the creation of your store.